Okay. So we started joints. You know the importance of join plus next how to write join query. Okay. So that is what we discussed in the last class. But in joins, what is the best way to write join queries? Declare the what alias, and every column should be prefixed with alias. Okay. For two reasons. One is to avoid ambiguity and for faster execution. For these two reasons, so better to declare alias and prefix column names. But what this query gives? This query gives all the employee names, salaries, DNAME, location. Okay, then this query is displaying all 14 employees data. But I don't want all the employees data. I want specific employees data. Suppose I want to see only the employees working at New York location. Okay, then so this is showing all the employees, but I want to see the employees working at New York location. So whenever you want to see the particular where what d dot location equals to what New York. What is the location? Location column. Location column belongs to which table? Department table. Then how to access this location? D dot location. D dot location equals to what? New York. Location equals to New York. So this query will not show all the list. This query will show only employees working at what? New York location. So run this query. So there are three employees working at New York location. So in join queries, in joins, whenever you want to specific rows, whenever you want to select specific rows, apply what? Where condition. Apply the where condition. So what is this is called? What is this is called? What is this is called? This is called join condition. This is called what? Join condition. What is this is called? This is called what? This is called filter condition. So this is called join condition. This is called filter condition. Because this is joining the two tables. This condition joining the what, sir? Two tables. Based on this condition, SQL server joining the records of two tables. So this is join condition. Oh, okay. Then so this is filter condition. Okay, because it is selecting specific rows. That's why this is what? Filter condition. That's all. So then what is my query is? My query is what? Display what? Employees working at New York location. Employees working at New York location. Okay, employees working at New York location. Then. Okay. Next. But in this example, okay, then in this example, so you're joining how many tables? In this example, joining how many tables? Two tables, joining two tables. But always join is between two tables. Okay, na? Always you join two tables. Sometimes you need to perform join between more than two tables. Sometimes you have to join three tables, four tables, five tables, 10 tables. Then how to join more than two tables? Okay, then joining what's it? More than two tables. How to join more than two tables? So okay, then how to join more than two tables? Let's see. So suppose here, then just I'm taking one, but how do you write a query? What is the syntax? Same thing. What select what's it? Columns from table 1. Next what? Inner join table 2 on condition. Okay. Then next, so this table 1 joined with table 2 based on this condition. I want to join this result with third table. Next you have to say what inner join what table 3 what on condition, and I want to join this result with table 4. Join table 4. Next what? On condition. That's all. Table 1 join with table 2 based on this condition. Join with table 3 based on this condition. Result is join with table 4 based on this condition. Like that you can join 20 tables also. Sir, okay na? Then. So table 1 join with table 2 based on this condition. Result is join with table 3 based on this condition. Result is join with table 4 based on this condition. Okay. So here how many conditions required? How many conditions required? 3 conditions. How many tables you are joining? 4 tables. For joining 4 tables, how many conditions required? 3 conditions. Because one condition is between 2 tables. Okay. Then. So to join n tables, then to join n tables, how many conditions required? N minus 1. To join n tables, n minus 1 conditions required. That's all. Okay then. Then. Okay. Let's take example. Let's take one example. Then. Okay. Let's take one example. Now. EMP, then what? One is EMP NO. Next one, E-name, salary, department number. This is one table. I'm not taking the data. I'm taking only the table columns. Next, there is another table. What the table is? Department table. Department table. One field is department number, department name, department name. What is the next one? Location is there. In department table, what is there is location is there. Location, LOC. Yes. Location means city. Yes or no? Location is there. Location means city. But here, what is there? LOC ID, location ID is there. Location what? ID, ID is there. That means city code, not city name. City what's it? Code is there, not city name. Location ID, not location name. There is one table. What the table is? Locations table. In this table, one field is location ID. Location ID. Next one, what that is? City. Next one, state. Okay, na? That's all. Next, country ID is there. Country ID. Next one, countries table. There is one table. What the table is? Countries table. What is this is? Country ID. Next one, country name. Country ID, country name. That's all. There are 4 tables. Okay. Then one table stores employees data. One table stores departments data. One table stores locations. One table stores countries. Locations means city here. Location ID. That location represents which city. The city belongs to which state. The state belongs to which country. So there are 4 tables here. Okay. I want to join these 4 tables. But why you want to join these 4 tables? Okay, na? Because I want to display this output. What is that output you want? Name, dname, city, state, country, name. I want this output. Name, dname, city, state, country, name. Employee name. That employee works for which department? Where the department is located, city, state, and that belongs to which country, country name. That's all. I want this output. So this E name belongs to EMP table, D name belongs to department table, state, city and state belongs to locations table, and country name belongs to countries table. So this data belongs to how many tables? 4 tables. This belongs to countries table. So the data belongs to how many tables? 4 tables. So join these 4 tables. Okay, na? Then always don't try for final queries. Or don't try for final query. Just write step by step. Then you'll get the ideas. So first I want department name. Employee belongs to which department? I want to display department name. But what is there in this table? Department number is there, but user wants department name. Then how to get the department name? So join this department number, compare this department number with this department number. If the department numbers are equal, then join so that you'll get the department name. So join these 2 tables to get the department name. Join these 2 tables based on the department number. Yes or no? Okay, then we'll get the department name. We'll get the department name, location ID. But user is not asking the location ID. User is asking what's that? City and state. But if you know location ID, how to get the city and state? So compare this location ID with this location ID. If this location IDs are equal, then join this records so that you'll get the city and what's that? State. City and state. And you'll get the city, state, and country ID. So now join this department table and locations table based on what? Based on location ID. So join these 2 tables based on location ID so that you'll get the city, state, and country ID. But user is not asking country ID. User is asking country name. Then how to get the country name? So compare this country ID with this country ID. Then if country IDs are matching, then join so that you'll get the country name. So join these 2 tables, locations and countries table based on the country ID so that you'll get the country name. So one join is between EMP table and department. One join is between department and locations based on location ID. One join is between locations and countries based on the country ID. That's all. Total how many joins? 3 joins. How many tables? 4 tables. Always remember n tables n minus 1. N tables n minus 1 conditions. Okay. Then so now let's see this. What? So I want to write a query for this. Then what's a select what's it? E dot E name. Next one, D dot D name. Next one, L dot what's it? City. L dot state. And C dot what? Country name. C dot country name. And from what? From what? From what? EMPE. Next, first I want department name. First I want department name. To get department name, join this EMP table with what? Department table. Then what we have to write? Inner join department D. Then on E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So join these two tables based on the department number so that you'll get the department name. But next, but after getting the department name, so I want to print this department belongs to which city. The department belongs to which city. I want to print this. But what is there here? Location ID is there. But I want city and state. So join this department table with what's her? Locations table based on the location ID so that you'll get the city and state. So which two tables you have to join? Department table and locations table. But department table is already there or not? Yes. In here, department is already there. Next what we have to write? Inner join. Next what? Locations L on what? Locations L on. Oh, like I want to get the city and state. To get the city and state, so compare this location ID with this location ID. Okay, na? Then D dot department table location ID should be compared with locations table location ID. If this location IDs are equal, so join this. So if location IDs are equal, then join so that you'll get the city and state. Okay, na? Next one. So you'll get the city and state. But he's asking country name. How to get the country name? So join locations table with what's that? Countries table based on the country ID. If country IDs are equal, then join this so that you'll get the country name. So locations table is already there or not? Yes. Location table is already there. Then you have to join this locations table with what? Countries table. Inner join what? Countries C. Next one on what? L dot country ID equal to C dot what's her? Country ID. L dot country ID equal to C dot country ID. That's all. Okay. Okay. So this is okay, the different scenarios you come across. Okay, now then. So in inner join, like how to write query plus how to apply the filter conditions, how to join more than two tables. Okay, then next. So what the next one is outer join. Outer join. Outer join. So then what the difference is here? Then you take this example. Okay, you take these two tables. Take these two tables. Suppose, for example, you perform inner join between these two tables. Inner join, equijoin. If you perform inner join between these two tables, this is selected or not? Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. No. Why? Department number is null, but this null is not matching to any department in department table. This is not matching with any record in department table. So this is selected or not selected? Not selected. And from department table, what about this? Selected. This one selected. This one selected. But what is this? Not selected. Because your department number is what? 40. But is this matching with any record in employee table? No. So like if you do inner join between these two tables, these two rows are not selected. This is not selected. This is not selected. So these two records are called unmatched records. These two rows are called what? Unmatched rows. That means inner join returns only matching rows, but it won't return unmatched rows. Inner join returns only matching. So this is matching to this one. This is matching to this. This is matching to this. This is matching to this. This, but this is not matching. This is not matching. Okay, then. So inner join returns only matching, but it won't return unmatched rows. If you want to get unmatched rows also, perform outer join. To get unmatched rows also, perform what? Outer join. So that is the only difference between outer join and inner join. So inner join gives only matching, but it won't return unmatched. But you want to see unmatched also. To see unmatched also, then perform outer join. Okay. Then, but in outer join, one table is called left side table. One table is called right side table. So which is left side, which is right side? One table is left side, one table is right side. But which is left side, which is right side? So then, suppose here, it depends on how you write the query. EMP, suppose you write EMPE join something department D. Yes, you write like this. But in this, which is left side? EMP is left side, department is right side. Suppose I'll write like this. Department D join EMPE. What is this? Department is left side. EMP is right side. Left side and right side is based on from class, based on query, not based on this one. Okay, na? So left side and right side is based on what? Query. So in outer join, one table is left side table, one table is right side table. Okay. Outer join is also three types. Outer join is one, three types. Left join, right join, full join. You want unmatched records from left side table. You want all the records from left side table. You want unmatched records from left side table, left join. You want unmatched records from right side table, right join. You want unmatched records from both the tables, full join. You want unmatched records only from left side, then left join. You want unmatched records only from right side, then right join. You want unmatched records from both the tables, then full join. Okay. So like outer join, what the definition is, like inner join returns only, inner join returns only matching records, but won't return unmatched records. Returns only matching records, but won't return unmatched records. Next to get unmatched records, to display unmatched records also, to display unmatched records also, perform what's that? Outer join. Perform outer join to display unmatched records. Okay, then next. So to display unmatched records also, perform what? Perform outer join to display unmatched records. Next, outer join is like, okay, then, but example, 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 what? Example, this is one unmatched row. This is one unmatched row. Okay, then this is one unmatched row. This is one unmatched row. Clear? Then next, outer join is three types. Outer join is three types. One is left join, next right join, next one full join. Left, right, full join. Okay, first one what? Left join. First one left join. Then left join. And what is left join returns? Returns what? All rows. Here all means what? Returns all rows. Here all means what's that? Matched plus unmatched. All rows means matched plus unmatched. So returns all rows from what? Left side table, and matching rows from right side table. All from left side, matching from right side. Okay. All from left side, matching from right side. Okay, now then how to write the query? Okay, how to write the query? How to write the query? Sorry, how to write query? Same thing, just what I want is, I want to select name dname. Okay, na? I'm not selecting all, just I'm selecting one field from EMP, one field from department. E name belongs to EMP, D name belongs to department. So from EMPE, next, what is the keyword we use? Earlier, what is the keyword we use it? Inner join. What is the keyword we use it? Inner join. Yes. Now, what is the keyword we use? We use what's left join. Left join department D. Left join department D. So now, which is left side table? Which is left side table? EMP is left side table. Department is right side table. Now condition, same thing. Same thing. Okay, na? Same thing. What is that is? E dot department number equals to D dot department number. If department numbers are equal, join. Okay, then employee table department number is equal to department table department number, join. If employee table department number is not equal to department number, also selected, because this is what's a left join. Now, like, tell me, now this is selected. Yes or no? Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. Now this is selected. Yes. Yes. Because it is left join. So it returns all the records from left side table. What is the left side table? EMP is left side. So this query returns all rows from EMP, matching rows from department. This returns all from EMP. Then above query returns all rows from EMP and matching rows from DEPT. What is the output? What is the output you'll get? All from EMP matching from DEPT. So what is the output you'll get? Okay, then. No. So what is the output you'll get? We'll get this outputs. A is what's it? What we are selecting? What we are selecting? E name and D name. What is displaying? E name and D name. E name is what, sir? A. Then this is joined to this one. Select D name, accounts. And this is joined to this one. Select E name and D name. What is the E name? B. D name is research. This is joined to this one. This is joined to this one. What is the E name? C. What is the D name? Accounts. And this is joined to this one. What is the E name? D. And what is the D name? Sales. E is selected or not selected? Selected. So what is the output you'll get? You'll get something. A, what? Accounts. B is what? Research. And what is C is sales? No, not sales. D is what? C. C belongs to 10. 10 means accounts. C accounts. Next one. D is what? Sales. Next one is selected. What is the department name? Null. What is this? Is unmatched. Unmatched from EMP table. If you want matching, use the keyword inner join. If you want unmatched records from left side, use keyword left join. What is the advantage of this? Okay, now what is the advantage of this? What is the advantage of this? Why you write queries? First comes from basics. Why you write queries? To display the data. You write queries to display the data. Okay. So every query gives some data that gives some information. Okay. Na? This gives some information. What information it is giving? Who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned to the department. Who are assigned to department, who are not assigned. A, B, C, D are assigned to department, but E is not assigned to any department. Okay, na? What is the advantage of displaying unmatched records? That gives some extra information. What is that extra information it is giving? Who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned to the department. So then next you see this output. Then what management will do? They will assign this employee to some department. Okay. Then now next. This is left like that. What? Right join. Right join. What is the right join? Same thing. What returns? What's that? All rows. From which table? Right side table, and matching rows from left side table. All from right side, matching from left side. All from left side, matching from right side. Okay, then how to write query? Same thing. Sorry. Like, okay, first one second. Let me run this query. I want to see the practical. Let's execute this query. Then, so suppose here, first perform inner join. First perform what's it? Inner join. So see how many rows selected? 14 rows. How many rows? 14 rows. And perform left join. Perform left join. How many rows selected? 14 rows. Why there is no difference? Inner join 14 rows. Left join also 14 rows. There is no difference. Why there is no difference? Because when there is no difference means there is no unmatched record. If there is no unmatched record, inner join and outer join is same or not? If there is no unmatched record, inner join and outer join is what, sir? Same. When you see the difference, you see the difference when unmatched records are there, then you see the difference between inner join and outer join. Yes. Suppose like I do one thing, I'll insert one unmatched record just for testing. Okay, na? To see the difference, let's insert one unmatched record. What is that is? Insert into EMP, EMPNO, e-name, salary, department number. I'm not inserting values into all the fields. Table contains 8 fields. I'm not inserting values into all the 8 fields. I want to insert values into 4 fields. So that's why I mention the field names. Okay, na? If you don't mention the field names, then SQL server expect values for all the SQL server. If you give values, I'm giving values, suppose 555, some name ABC, some salary 4,000, some department number null. I'm giving 4 values, but table contains how many fields? 8 fields. Table contains how many fields? 8 fields, but how many values are giving? 4 values. Then what this gives? Error. This command gives error. Yes or no? So column name, number of values does not match. Column names and number of values does not match. Table contains 8 fields, but you are giving only 4 values. Then that is the reason here. Now you tell SQL server, I'm giving values only for the 4 fields. Then in brackets, mention the field names. So this 555 is for which field? EMP, NO. And ABC is for key name. 4000 is for salary. Null is for department number. Okay, na? Then. So now it will not expect values for 8 fields. It will expect values only for 4 fields. Execute this query, one row affected, one record is inserted. Okay, na? Then now let's see the difference. Let's see the difference. So first we'll run what's that? So total EMP table is having how many rows now? 15 rows. 15 rows. Now just now we inserted one row. Na? EMP table contains how many rows? 15 rows. Then so joining 15 rows with department table, then see this here. How many rows selected? 14 rows. The last one 15. Just now we inserted one ABC. That is selected or not selected? Not selected because the department number is what? Null, because that is not matching with any record. That's why it is not selected. Now let's perform what's that? Left join. Let's perform left join. Now see that. So how many rows selected? So 15th row. ABC is selected or not? Yes. Okay. Then. So now let's see. Right join. What is right join? Returns all rows from right side table matching rows from left side table. What is the keyword we use? Right join. Okay. Now, so I'll run this query. Okay. Then, so if you run this query on these two tables, if you run this query on these two tables, A is what's that? Accounts. B is what? Research. C what's that? Accounts. And D is what? Sales. And E is selected or not selected? Not selected. But this is selected or not? Yes. Operations is selected because you are selecting unmatched records from right side table. Right side table is what's that? Department. So what the output you'll get? We'll get this output. A accounts, B research, C what? C accounts. Next one. D sales. Next one. So what is this is? Null. This is what? Operations. What is this is? Unmatched from DEPT. Okay, then. Okay. Now, so run this query and you see this here. What? So this three accounts, research. Next one, what's it? Operations. Operations is what? Null. No employee working for this one. Okay, then. Okay, now then. What is the advantage of this? Okay, what is the advantage of this? What is the advantage of? What is this? What is this is? So, what is it? Everything gives some information. What information this is giving? So this is giving information about which departments are empty, which departments are not empty. Accounts is not empty, research is not empty, sales is not empty, operations is empty. That means no employee assigned to operations department. So then they will take a decision. So assign some employees to operations department. So this department is empty. Okay, then understood? Then so everything gives some information. Like first one left, who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned to the department. Here which department is empty, which department is not empty. So okay now. Then what are the next? Full join. Full join. So what this gives? All rows from what's it? Both the tables. Returns all rows from both tables. All from both the tables. What is the keyword we use? Full join. Okay, then hmm? Hmm. 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 It returns from both the tables. Okay. So now E is selected. Yes. Next, what operations is selected? Yes. What is this is? This is unmatched from which table? Department table. This is unmatched from. This is unmatched from EMP table. So you can see both. Okay. Then you can see both. Okay. Then so here in these examples, okay, first run this query. See, you get all this. So total how many rows it returns? 15. Full join. Ah, Actually 14 records, 15 records are there in EMP. 4 records are there in department. 15 rows are there in EMP. 4 records are there in department. In 15 rows, one record is unmatched. In a department table, one record is what, sir? Unmatched. Then 14 records matching bars. One unmatched record is there in EMP, one unmatched record is there in department. And then 16 rows. Total how many rows he'll get? 16. You see this. 16 rows, 14 records matching. One unmatched record from EMP, one unmatched record from department. That's all. Total how many? 16 rows. Okay, then. But okay. Then. But here actually, see, here I'm taking what left join, writing the query, just giving the output. Next right join, writing the query, giving the output. So you'll understand. Okay, what is left join, what is right join. But actually in requirement, they don't mention what in requirement. They don't mention left join, they don't mention right join, they don't mention full join. Okay, even they don't mention join also. You have to read the requirement, you have to understand the requirement, you have to decide for this requirement join is required, for this requirement left join is required, for this right join is required. Okay, na? In the requirements they don't mention. So just listen, enough, no need to write, just see. For example, there is a one scenario like this. What is that is, there is a table. What the table is? Projects table. In this one is project ID, project name, etc. Some project duration like this. There are 3 projects: 100, 101, 102. There is one more table. What the table is? Employee table. So in this employee ID, name, salary, next project ID. Employee 1 working for project 100, employee 2 working for project 101, and employee 3 not working for any project. So his project ID is what's that? Null, because he is not assigned to any project. So these 2 tables are given. From these 2 tables, what they're asking is, they want to display the employee details with project details. They're asking employee details with what? Project details. They're asking something like this: employee details with project details. By reading this line, immediately you should get the idea. What is that is? No. They're not asking any unmatched. Just they're asking employee details with project details. Then what is required? Join is required. What is required? Join is required. Employee details are there in EMP table. Project details are there in project tables. He is asking data from 2 tables. Then what is required is join is required. Join. But so, like, can we perform inner join between these 2 tables? Can we perform inner join between these 2 tables? Yes. Any common field is there? Yes. What the common field is? Project ID. So there is a project ID. So can we perform inner join between these 2 tables? Yes. So if we ask only this, employee details with project details, just what you have to write is inner join query. Is not asked any unmatched records. He just asking employee details with project details. So if you don't ask anything, if you don't mention anything, then write inner join query. Okay, na? But what is asking is, and also display employees not assigned to any project. He'll ask like this. The questioning will be like this. But in that questioning, they don't mention inner join, left join, right join like this. So, and also display like, so he's asking employee details with project details. But if you do inner join between these 2 tables, then employee 1 is selected. Employee 1 is selected. Yes. Employee 2 is selected. Yes. Employee 3 is selected. No, because his project ID is what, sir? Null. So this is not matching with any record. So this is not selected. But what is asking, and also display the employees not assigned to any project. So this employee not assigned to any project is asking this employee 3 details also. Is asking employee 3 details. Then what? Now join is required. Now sorry, outer join is required. But which outer join? Left or right or? Depends. Depends. EMP is left side, left outer. You want from which table you want all the records? Okay, na? Not left join, not right join. First identify from which table you want all the records. From which table you want all the records? EMP table. If EMP is left side, then left join. If EMP right side, then right join. Okay, na? So then you have to write something like this. What that is? Select what, sir? E dot star, comma, P dot star. What is E dot star means? All the fields from employee table. P dot star means all the fields from projects table. From EMPE, next projects, what's it? EMPE projects P. So which is left side? EMP is left side. So he's asking all the records from EMP table. He's asking all the records from EMP table. Then what? Left join, left join. Next, what's that? On. So what are the condition? How to get the employee details with project details? So take this project ID, find out the matching project ID. Once match found, then get the project name and duration. Get the project details. Then what is the condition? E dot project ID equals to P dot project ID. Okay, clear that? So here what is required here? Left join is required. Suppose what is asking is display what's that? Employee details with what? Project details, and also display projects, and also display the projects where no employee assigned to it. No employee assigned to it. Okay, then so he's asking also display the projects where no employee assigned to it. So he's asking, suppose if you do inner join, 100 is selected. If you do inner join, 100 is selected. Yes. 101 is selected. Yes. 102 is selected. No, it's not selected. Why? Because it's not matching with any record in employee table. So 102 is not selected. But what is asking is asking and also display the projects where no employee assigned to it. So 102, 100 employee assigned to 100, employee assigned to 101, but no employee assigned to 102. So I want 102 also. Then what's that? Outer join. So which outer? Like if you write like this, then he wanted all the records from project table. Then what? Right side. Then so you have to write same query, but outer join. Right outer join. Yes. Yes or no? Okay, na? Then so identify from which table is asking all the rows. That is important. Next you can easily decide left or right or easily can decide. So first what is important is identifying from which table is asking all the rows. Okay, that is important. Okay, na? Then next. Then okay, then so like this is joins, like suppose here then A B A is one table, B is one table, is joining this two tables, A, B. A is one table, B is one table. So tell me, what is this is? What is this is? This is inner join. Inner join returns only matching. Matching. Okay, na? Inner join returns only matching. This is inner join. What is this is? Left join. Left outer. Left join. What is this is? Right join. What is this is? Full join. This is inner join. This is left join. This is right join. This is what, sir? Full join. What is this is? Oh, what? What is this is? No. Like left or right or leave it. Okay, na? Then what is asking is left side is A table, B is right side table. What is only unmatched records from left side table? Only unmatched. What is the difference between this and this? This is matched plus unmatched. This is only unmatched. Unmatched from left side. This is unmatched from this. This is unmatched from both the tables. Now, can you write the query for this? Yes. Can you write the query for this? 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 Okay, na? Only unmatched rows. Only what, sir? Unmatched. Maximum in real time, you come across the joins on whatever is there in this. Maximum you come across this. Okay, you should be able to write queries for all this. Total, how many are there? 7. 7. Okay, na? If you can able to write the queries for all these 7 types, that's all. So, like, how to write this one? Okay, then so he's asking, he want unmatched records from left side table. Unmatched records from left side table. So once again, what is this redundancy? What is this redundancy? So suppose here, what is this redundancy? Left join. What is this redundancy? Left. This is left join. Okay, na? Then so this is left join. So left join means all from left side. Matching plus unmatched. Yes, matching plus unmatched. But what is asking? Only what's that? Unmatched. Only unmatched. So you have to select only unmatched. To select this unmatched record, find out the condition. You want to select only this row. To select this row, find out the condition. What is the condition? You see the row, boss. You see the row and tell me what is the condition. What is not equal to, boss? I want only this row. What is the condition to select only this row? Where D name is null. That's all. Where D name is null. Because if it is unmatched record from EMP table means unmatched record from EMP table means department is what, sir? Null, na? Yes or no? Department is what? Null. Then select the record where department name is null. How to select the record department name is null? Where D dot what, sir? D name is what? Null. D dot D name is what, sir? Null. So then what you are getting? You are getting only unmatched record. Unmatched record from which table? Left type EMP table. Yes. Okay, na? Understood. Then so unmatched records from left side table. I want unmatched record from right side table. Then first perform what? First perform what, sir? Right join. So I'm performing right join. So this is right join. Then what is this gives? This gives what, sir? All the rows. Total how many rows? 15 rows. But is asking only this unmatched row. Unmatched row from right side table. So department table. I want only this row. Then what is the condition for this row? Employee name is what? Null. So then apply that condition. What is that condition? Where e dot e name is what? Null. E name is null. So if you write e name is null, then it will show only unmatched row. From which table? EMP table. Okay, na? Sorry. Department table. Unmatched row from right side table. Okay. Next, suppose here is asking unmatched rows from both the tables. I want unmatched rows from both. Then first what? First what, sir? Full Jan. First full Jan. So full Jan will show all rows from both the tables. I want only these two rows. I want these two rows. Unmatched records from both the tables. This is unmatched from EMP. This is unmatched from department. I want this both. Then what is the condition for selecting the first one? D name is null. What is the condition for selecting second one? E name is null. If D name is null, select. If E name is null, select. Then how to write that condition? Where what? E dot E name. E dot E name is null. And D dot D name is null. That means both conditions must be true. If both conditions are true, selected. So it go to this one. E name is what, sir? E name is null. It go to this, sir. Here, what is the meaning? End means both must be true, na? Then here, E name is null. No. Then this is not selected. You go to the second one. Here, E name is null. Yes. D name is null. No, not selected. Sir, what I am saying, if E name is null, select. If D name is null, select. That means what? R. If E name is null, select. If D name is null, select. That means in these two conditions, if any condition is true, select it. Then what must be the operator? R operator, not AND. What that is? R. You see that? Then it is selecting both. Okay. Any field, like you tell me any field. This is D name, not. See, if it is not matching, means compulsory employee details will be null only. Marketing. But what about employee details? Null. Yes or no? Then anything from department table, if it is unmatched record from department, employee details will be null. Unmatched record from EMP table, department will be null. Definitely. You check. You insert one record marketing, then check. Okay, na? Sir, okay? Then. So, like then. Other value రావు నీకు నల్లే వస్తుంది. Once again. You tell me the row. I'll insert the row. You tell me. No. Tell me the row. In which table? Insert EMP or department? Okay. Insert record into department. Insert into department values. Then department is what, sir? 50. Next what? Department is what? Marketing department. Next some location HYD. Then yes, I'll insert. Then one row affected. Next run the query. Okay, na? What is that query? Select what, sir? E dot E name. D dot what, sir? D name from EMPE. Next one, right join department D on E dot department number equals to D dot department number. Then what? Then, so what is this is for operations marketing, employee details will be null because no employee working for marketing department. Then employee name is what? Null. Then I want this unmatched records. Then what? I want unmatched records where E dot E name is what, sir? Null. E dot E name is null. Okay, na? Then. Okay. Then. So, like question is how to display what? Unmatched rows. How to display only unmatched rows. How to display only unmatched rows. From left side table. Unmatched rows from left side table. Unmatched rows from left side table. Then what is this? Left join. What is the condition? Where? What? What is the condition? Unmatched rows from left side table. If it is an unmatched row from EMP table means department name is what, sir? Department name is what? Null. So D dot D name is what? Null. So right side table. And what is this gives? What are the outputs? What is the output? Name is what? Name is ABC. Department name is null. So this is unmatched record from EMP table. Yes. Next. I want to get right side table. Then I want to get unmatched records from right side table. Then what? I want to get unmatched records from right side table. Then right join. So right join, like operations is unmatched. What about the employee name? What about the employee name? If it is unmatched record means what is the employee name? Null. Then how to write it? Where E dot E name is what, sir? Null. E name is null. So what you will get? Null. Next one, what, sir? Operations. This is unmatched record from department. This is the unmatched record from EMP. So then, what is the next? Full giant from both the tables. What? Both tables. I want unmatched from both the tables. And then what? Then what is this keyword? Full giant. E name is null. Next. Or D name is null. If E name is null, select. If D name is null, select. Okay. So you know how to get matching rows from two tables, how to get matching rows. and you know how to get unmatched, matching plus unmatched, and you know how to get only unmatched. You know how to get only matching. You know how to get matching plus unmatched, and you know how to get only unmatched. That's how, there are three: matching plus matched plus unmatched plus unmatched. That's all. Okay, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Oh.
సార్ మనం కేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ట్రై చేసాం సార్.
Mm.
అయితే మనకి జాబ్ అనేది అంటే జాబ్ నేమ్ ఏమైతే ఉందో అది వస్తుంది
Mm.
మనకు. నాకు
Mm.
అంటే ఈ నేమ్ జాబ్ జాబ్ మనకి ఆ జాబ్ కూడా నాకు ఆ జాబ్ ఫారం కూడా
సెలెక్ట్ జాబ్ సెలెక్ట్ ఇప్పుడు క్లియర్ లైక్ వన్ సెకండ్ సపోజ్ సో ఇది కేస్ రాసి కేస్ అయిపోయింది జాబ్ కేసు రాస్తాం ఏదో కేసు జాబ్ జాబ్ దెన్ అన్ని రాస్తాం అది అయిపోతుంది కామా పెడతాం కామా పెట్టి జాబ్ రాయి యాక్చువల్ జాబ్ కూడా వస్తాం
what the process I'll tell you, but I'm today using it, sir. Let's figure out.
If you change the employee department number
Employee table change. What the use of the item? Suppose that I see the table department. I am change the
department table
yeah
department number
yeah.
then you want to change the employee table also.
Yeah. Can use of the item? Use of the item.
Use of alter, not using alter. Unupdate task. Unupdate task. Not department number change. Employee table also you want to change. Like yes, that is what you want.
Practice, so that's all the year.
First to practice these basic functions, right? Then you like first you focus on this and you gain some knowledge. After that you can do experiments.
Today this is like sir we are unmatched. Like full right, left right also. Unmatched full right left unmatched are two select that full right. But unmatching not selected and full right.
Only unmatched. Like, what is left join, right join? Matching plus unmatched. It also returns matching, but I don't want to see matching. I want to see only unmatched. అదే బాస్ ఇక్కడ అయిపోయిందా కామా పెట్టి దీనికి నేమ్ ఏమి ఇచ్చినావు జాబ్ వన్ నెక్స్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ జాబ్ ఎందుకు నీకు ఎర్రర్ ఇచ్చిందంటే రెండు కామా జాబ్ అని పెట్టాను దీని నేమ్ జాబ్ అవుతుంది దీని నేమ్ దీనికి ఏం చేస్తుంది జాబ్ వన్ అని Giants were attended